Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a simple yet effective way to star your spreadsheets in Google Drive. Starring files is a fantastic way to keep your most important documents easily accessible. Let's get started with the steps you need to follow. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you're using a computer, simply navigate to drive.google.com and log in to your account. Once you're in, you'll see all your files organized in a neat layout. Next, find the spreadsheet you want to star. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Once you've found the spreadsheet, look for the three dots next to its name. This icon represents additional options for that specific file. Now click on the three dots. A menu will pop up, revealing several actions you can take with this file. Among these options, you will see Add to Starred. Click on this option to mark your spreadsheet as starred. This action is crucial because it helps you categorize and prioritize your files for easier access later on. After you click Add to Starred, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that the file has been successfully starred. From now on, whenever you want to access this spreadsheet, you can simply go to your Starred section in Google Drive. This feature saves time and ensures that important documents are just a click away. In summary, starring a spreadsheet in Google Drive is straightforward. Open the app, find your desired file, click the three dots next to it, and select Add to Starred. With these simple steps, you'll enhance your productivity and organization within Google Drive. Thank you for joining me today. Now that you know how to star your spreadsheets, go ahead and try it out for yourself. Happy organizing!